Hi, I'm Judy Maria from Subang Jaya. I'm system support. I work as a system support. Why I joined the Awaken Divine Youth program is because there is a long searching in my soul to look out for answers about life. I wonder what is all about life ever since young. Grow up from young, then continue with our education, finish our learning, continue with our career life, and then be married. What is more besides taking care of the family? What is that more in life, and what I can give more into this life, and what is my purpose in this earth has been a very question mark since the beginning. I know myself. So the significant changes in this program that I see myself throughout this 7 days program is enlightened clarity. I found myself. I was searching. I found myself. I know who I am, why I am in the earth. There is, of course, is a continuous journey. You will not discover just in 7 days, but there will be a long journey. Discovering and learning will be a continuous process. I find Master Umesh very genuine and friendly person. He have delivered his knowledge with all full heart. He has actually make us feel home and family alike. Knowing him personally makes me feel empowered that I have someone to guide me in spiritualism. And I really, coming from a cradle Catholic, this New Age program is a very skeptical and very wrong misinterpretation, which leads to many people to think it's a cult program. But however, all I learned from this program is to share our love and light, which is very significant and very empowering knowledge, which actually what's being taught in every religion is to love. How many of us has forgotten that love is all about God? God is love, and many have forgotten their beingness and their love. So I encourage everyone from every age of group to join this program, to know themselves, to know the love, to feel the light of God by experiencing it from their heart, and to share their knowledge, and rather than living in darkness. Knowledge is great. Thank you.